Right in front of you is the impressive Empress Hotel. Now, I could be wrong, but I don't think you'll need much help finding this one. The Empress Hotel opened in 1908 as the main hotel for Canadian Pacific's passenger steamships. It's hard to believe that only 4 years before it was built, the land the Empress resides on was actually partially underwater. The Songhees Nation calls this area Husaikum, meaning place of mud, and it was known for the abundance of crabs and clams, and as a place to launch canoes to cross the harbor. After Victoria was established, bridges were built to cross the mud flats and reach the land to the south. The street you're standing on right now used to actually be the Government Street Bridge. In 1903, the Canadian Pacific's manager proposed the idea of a grand hotel centered right in the inner harbor, on the condition that the city provide the location, tax exemption, and free water for 20 years.